University of Zurich is offering annually 60 fully funded master scholarships for international students from all over the world. So if you want to study in one of the richest countries in the world with the highest education standards, continue watching this video. What majors are included? You can apply for any major available within the University of Zurich. Who can apply? As I have mentioned, students from all over the world can apply for this scholarship, notwithstanding their nationality. But you have to have a very good academic record to apply for this scholarship. What are the benefits of the scholarship? The scholarship consists of living and study expenses, which is about 12,000 Swiss francs, and tuition fee. How can you apply? You have to apply through a university's platform and you have to provide the following documents. First of all, pre-proposal for your master thesis. It's approximately the research proposal, but for your master thesis. You have to provide academic transcripts and your bachelor degree. Also, the names of 2 referees who will send from their own email their reference letter to support your application. Also, you have to attach English proficiency test to your application. And the last thing is your CV. When can you apply? Here you have to be very careful because application will open only for 1 month and it will be from the 1st of November until 30th of November 2024. So now it's high time to get ready for the scholarship, and when the application is open, just apply through the university website. And I wish you good luck.